A human body can only survive for 8 to 21 days without food and water, and drinking enough water can keep our body alive for up to 2 months. But there is an Indian man who has been living without food and water for 70 years. After many examinations, doctors still don't know how this is possible. Gipsy tribe people who lives in Rajasthan region actually believes birth is a sign of suffering and death as one of the happiest event in life. Hello everyone, Surya here. Welcome back to another episode of Wall of Wisdom. Just to be clear, in this episode I am gonna explain about 25 things you didn't know about India. The largest family in the world lives in India. The family has 94 children, 14 grandchildren and 33 great-grandchildren, and along with other family members there are total 180 family members. A huge lake in India was found by an asteroid crash. This is one of the best kept secrets in Maharashtra. The Lonar Lake was created 52,000 years ago when an asteroid crashed. The Bailey Bridge is the tallest bridge in the world, located in Ladakh Valley. Snake and Ladders, discovered in India. This game was originally invented to teach young children morals and rituals. It was later introduced to the world through business and has become one of the most popular board games. Buttons were invented in India. The first known button was found in Mohenjo-daro in the Indus Valley. The earliest button made from seashell were used in the Indus Valley civilization for ornamental purposes. After the United States and UK, India ranks third in terms of records in the Guinness Book. The largest free kitchen in the world, the Golden Temple of Amritsar, provide free food to lakhs of people every day, regardless of their race or region. The temple has 4 entrances that welcome all devotees irrespective of their caste, region or religion. Women who wear gold jewelry consider it to be an essential part of their appearance. Indian housewives hold 11% of world's gold. This is more than the reserves of US, Switzerland and Germany. In 2009, a doctor in India removed 172,155 stones from a patient's left kidney during the 3 hours of surgical treatment. Shampoo was invented in India. The word shampoo is derived from a Sanskrit word champu, which means massage. People from South India in some regions roll over upon the rest of the food eaten by the Brahmins, believing that their troubles and illness will be cured. India's divorce rate is considered as world's lowest because only about 1 in 100 marriages in India ends with divorce. In 1968, there is an experimental township founded in India named Auroville. In Auroville, there is no place for money or religion, and the citizens of this place are from all over the world. The village named Shani Shignapur in India had no doors, locks, crimes for over 400 years until 2010. The people of Kasi in Meghalaya, India grows living bridges with the roots of tree. India planted nearly 50 million trees in 24 hours. This sets a new Guinness World Record in 2016. There is an annual ritual in some remote Indian villages. Babies are thrown from the top of a 30-foot temple. Locals believe these bring health and luck to the newborns. Most of the babies tossed in the air are less than 2 years old. People hold blankets and catch the tumbling babies. The workforces in India has most number of public holidays at around 21 days each year, even more depending upon which state you live in. Only 2% of India defines themselves as atheist. Atheist a person who disbelieves in the existence of God or gods. Indians spend more time in reading physical books, over 10 hours per week, than citizens of any other country in the world. 31% of Indians are vegetarians, while another 9% also consume eggs over vegetarians. India has the world's lowest meat consumption per person. Mahant Bharatdas Bapu, a lone voter and one of the country's most famous voters. A polling station is set up in the forest for him in every election since 2004. Mahant Bharatdas Bapu died in 2019. Go Air Airlines in India only hires female flight attendants because they are lighter. Saves up to 5 lakhs US dollars a year in a fuel. Here is a bonus fact for you. The number of people traveling on Indian trains each day is equal to the population of Australia. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notifications. Like, share and subscribe.